for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Toyota 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights, security system, CD player, electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, day and night rear view mirror, overhead console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.